12 cartoon characters that made you laugh out loud in the 90s. This cat and mouse tale was the epic in itself. Never let us down, not even now. Is that a bird? Is that a plane? No, that's Superman. There he goes up and away. Batman was then and even now admired by each one of us. This arrogant, high-tech, super powerful crime fighter was like a dream for everyone. So stylish and mysterious, this superhero is a favorite with all. You can remember watching this action-packed program wearing a cardboard mask and feigning a mock fight with your siblings. These ultra-funny, cool and foodie turtles can no way be called as slow. Master Roshi taught them all the right moves to beat the Batmen. These really cute tiny girls were a result of sugar, spices, everything nice and an accidental drop of Chemical X. They used their superpowers to save the world. A genius kid and his exceedingly annoying big sis Dee Dee, all siblings must have watched and enjoyed alike. The street boy who amazingly lands a beautiful Princess Jasmine. Eat, magic, adventure, love and action, what more to ask for? I think that's pretty much it. Oh yes, Genie. Our beloved magical, almighty Genie. Mickey and Friends, though the show may be called, but we all like this easily angered, gibberish-talking duck the best. If it weren't for Mickey Mouse, we may never have been able to see any great cartoons. Thank God Mr. Walt Disney came up with this cute little thing for all of us. Scrooge may have his idiosyncratic and super miser ways, but he was loved by all of us for the exciting adventures and treasure hunts he took us on. I for one loved him for his huge money bin, still wish I could dive in it like him, but then again, who doesn't? Never in the history of mankind, actually, cartoons, was there and can be such an awful pilot. But we still adored him for his simple ways and of course classic crashes. Thumbs up. These triplets must be the naughtiest kids on the block. The classic raspy voice, the puppy face look when they got and the most original and craziest mischiefs made them ruled our handbook. This lazy but awesome pilot was a badass but at the same time soft as the cream-filled center of a donut. Loved every bit of the adventures we had with him and his friend Kid. Who can forget the exciting jungle trip with Mowgli and his friends Baloo and Bagheera? And the deadly encounters with Sher Khan. Thanks for watching. Subscribe not to miss new interesting videos. See you soon.